What's going on, guys? JSGC Vlogs here, and we're here for another video. This time we're moving away from Iceland. I did say that potentially we'd be heading to Copenhagen. Unfortunately, that trip to Denmark never happened. However, we have managed to sandwich in a quick trip to Prague and Leipzig as well for you guys to enjoy. So how this is going to work is I'm going to have a couple two room tours for you guys to look forward to. So we're starting today with my first room review, which is covering the Moods Boutique Hotel in Prague, which you can find in the Czech Republic, or Czechia, which it's changed its name to. So I'm going to show you around our superior twin standard room for you guys to enjoy. So let me show you around. It's a hotel, and there's all your room numbers, because there's no room numbers actually on the room. Just find them here. So you have to figure out 107's over there, 108, and we're in 109. So let's head in. As we come in, there we go. Aaron here, MixedSid, staying with us as well. There's our room. Got your two twin beds. Aaron's clearly made his bed nicer than mine. Aaron's is just there. There's mine showing me up. Pretty decent sized room, wouldn't you agree? Yeah. Decent sized room. I managed to get a good night's sleep on there as well. So yeah, not too bad. Got a little footstool down here, and stuff you don't find in a lot of hotel rooms is you do have a nice full length mirror just here with me in as well. Now, one of my favourite features about this room is this little mood lighting that you've got along the strip of the bed, which you can control just using all these fancy buttons over here. So you can change the intensity colour of the mood lighting. You can turn it up to its maximum, and you can dim it as well for whatever mood that you're looking for. This button just here, if you press it, we'll put on this lamp here, which actually, if I was to turn all the lights off and you want to do a bit of reading, would be pretty cool. And it does look like it moves, but I've not pivoted it to try it. You do have a big crack. I'm not too sure if that's part of the decoration or not, with a little quote there as well. Let me just pan this way so you can have another good look at the size of the room. Do have a nice desk over there that I've been doing some filming. That's where I've done my intro today. Nice sized TV. It's a smart TV as well, which is always a bonus. Don't get that in many hotels. Got a couple of drawers over here. This one here is shut, you can't open it, but this one you can pull open if you want to put anything for storage in there. Open this up. You have a little mini fridge as well if you wanted to put anything in to cool your drinks or food. You've got a safe that you can set as well if you want to put any of your important documentations or anything important in there. Just pan around here, you've got a couple of coat hangers on the back of the door. Cupboards over here. You've got tea and coffee facilities. You've got a hairdryer up there. You've got a kettle as well, and you've got some places for storage for some clothes. We'll just come over here. You've also got more room over here for your stuff as well, along with what looks like a spare blanket too. So the only other thing to go and look at now is the bathroom, which you'll find here. So if we just open it up, we've got the control for the lights here, and you head on in. There you go, me again. In the mirror, there's your sink. Goes with some soap, shower cap, vanity set, a couple of glasses. You got a bathtub, complete with a shower. It's a very strong shower, I will add. I haven't used it, but managed to get a good shower in. You get all your towels and everything provided. You've got some shower gel, shampoos, conditioners and stuff that come free of charge. And got a heating rack, a radiator over here. Here you'll find the toilet, and you've also got a bidet as well. We do have breakfast included on this, so we're going to go and check it out. We're also a big fan of plug sockets here on my channel and where they're located. You can find one just here as you come in through the door, and then Got a control for your air conditioning there. There's no plug sockets to either side of the bed, but you will find another plug socket. You can just see it down there as well next to your bed. So if you've got 2 of you staying here and you want to charge your phone, one will have to go there. You'll have to go in there. And Aaron tells me there's another plug socket for your shavers and stuff in the bathroom as well. Is there any underneath here? You've got a bin and you've got some plug sockets with a lot of wiring under here as well. Finally, and this is very strange, very strange. That's where you go and have breakfast. We're on the 1st floor. There's our view. A window that opens up here. It's not too noisy overnight, and very interesting that this window opens all the way out to the bed with no lock on it. Anyway, let's go and check out breakfast. Got some really good selection here at breakfast actually. Got sausages, bacon, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, beans, cheese, meats, yoghurt, cereal, nuts, a variety of tea, coffee, hot chocolate, juices available. Good stuff. There we go, that concludes our stay in Prague. We're going to be heading to Germany, where you'll find my next room tour for you guys to enjoy. So I'll see you then. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all again real soon. So I've been JSGC Vlogs. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope everyone is safe and well. Peace. Ciao for now.